Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you own a PlayStation 5, there's a new system software update rolling out. And if you're wondering whether it's worth installing right away or if Sony has added any hidden features, let's go through everything we know. Just like a lot of PlayStation system updates, this one is being released in phases. So if you check your console and don't see it yet, don't worry. It can take some time before every region and every user receives it. Now, when you look at the official patch notes, they're extremely short. Sony simply says that system software performance has been improved and system software stability has also been improved. That's literally what the official changelog says. There are no mentions of new features, no interface changes, no controller updates, no new settings, and nothing related to gameplay features. Whenever Sony releases updates like this, a lot of people immediately think nothing has changed because the patch notes don't explain much. That's possible, but it's also worth remembering that Sony has a history of keeping back-end improvements very brief in the official notes. Sometimes changes happen behind the scenes that aren't specifically listed. One thing people usually notice after installing these maintenance updates is that the overall system can feel a little smoother when moving through menus, opening the PlayStation Store, switching between games, or waking the console from rest mode. That doesn't mean everyone will suddenly see a massive difference, but these are the kinds of areas Sony typically refines over time. Another possibility is that the update includes additional compatibility improvements for upcoming games and future system features. Console manufacturers often prepare the operating system well before new features are actually enabled. So even if users don't see anything new immediately, parts of the update could still be laying the groundwork for future releases. Since Sony hasn't confirmed anything beyond the official notes, this remains a possibility rather than a confirmed feature. There have also been reports from players over the past few weeks mentioning occasional rest mode hiccups, random menu slowdowns, and rare connection issues with PlayStation Network or accessories. Again, Sony hasn't specifically said those problems were addressed in this release. But when the company says performance and stability have been improved, updates like these are often aimed at reducing bugs that affect a smaller number of users. The official notes usually don't list every individual fix. Similar maintenance updates in the past have focused on reliability without providing detailed explanations. One interesting thing with updates like this is how Sony collects system diagnostic information. If users experience crashes, unexpected errors, or software bugs and choose to send error reports, that information helps Sony identify patterns across thousands or even millions of consoles. Over time, those reports can lead to fixes that are quietly included in later firmware updates. So while the patch notes may not mention a specific issue, it's entirely possible that certain bugs have been improved based on data collected from affected systems. Of course, Sony hasn't confirmed exactly which problems were addressed here, so we can't say for certain that any single issue has been fixed. For most players, installing this update is still a good idea. Even if you don't notice any visible differences, stability updates usually help keep the console running reliably, improve overall consistency, and can include security improvements that aren't publicly detailed. That's pretty common across gaming consoles, smartphones, and other devices where many system-level fixes happen behind the scenes. If you're hoping for a redesigned interface, new customization options, or additional gaming features, this isn't that kind of update. Sony would normally mention those changes directly because they're features users are expected to interact with. Since none of that appears in the official notes, this release is much more focused on maintaining the system rather than changing how the console looks or works. As more players install the update over the next several days, the community will naturally keep an eye out for anything that wasn't mentioned officially. Sometimes users discover little differences that weren't documented, while other times it turns out to be exactly what Sony described, a maintenance update focused on improving the experience behind the scenes. It'll probably take a bit of time before enough people have tested everything to know if there are any subtle changes beyond what's written in the changelog. So at the moment, the biggest takeaway is pretty simple. The update is rolling out gradually, the official patch notes remain very brief, and Sony is focusing on better performance and improved system stability. Even though there aren't any visible new features to show off, updates like these still play an important role in keeping the console reliable over the long term. If you've already received it, your installation should be pretty quick, And after that, it's just a matter of using your console normally and seeing whether you notice any improvements during everyday use.